Hi, this is Arup from the channel Language and Literature. Today I am again back with a new topic. Our today's topic is how to make a bed. In order to make a bed, your first task is to remove everything from the bed. Fitted sheet, flat sheet, pillow, blanket or duvet, you have to remove everything so that you can start anew. After removing everything from the bed, you have to follow some steps. Your first step is to spread a fitted sheet over the mattress and making it sure that it is smooth and wrinkle free. It is also known as the bottom sheet. It is called bottom sheet because it is placed under both blanket and the flat sheet. The main function of the fitted sheet is to ensure a smooth surface over the mattress. After spreading the fitted sheet, we can move to the next step, that is to lay down a flat sheet over the fitted sheet, leaving some room so that you can tuck or fold later. After doing that, we can place a blanket over the fitted sheet. Here, you should not forget to tuck both the flat sheet and the blanket together under the mattress. That will give a hotel-like look, or you can avoid it. It depends on personal choice. After doing all these things, you can add a duvet, and that is highly necessary. If it is cold at night, you can bury yourself under the duvet. After doing that, you can arrange the pillow at the head of the bed. This is how you can make a bed. So in order to make a bed, you can follow these steps I have talked about throughout the video. Thank you very much for watching today's topic. Thank you everybody.